Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to share with you how I gave new life to my old chocolate brown wood dining room table and chairs. Interested? Then just keep watching. I've had this dining room table for about 6 years. I really think it's a really good table, very sturdy, but the color no longer goes with my home decor, so I decided to make a few changes. For this project, I'm using some of this Zinsser primer, some of this Rust-Oleum metallic accents paint, and polyacrylic. I'm also using some of this gold fabric that I picked up on sale from JoAnn's. I'll leave a complete list of everything that I used for this project down in the description box. So the first thing I did was remove the cushions from my chairs and my bench. Next, I gave my chairs and bench 2 coats of primer. I did not want to go through the process of sanding off the original finish, so I'm using this Zinsser 123 primer because according to the packaging, no sanding is required. I let my primer dry for about 2 hours, and then I added 3 thin coats of my gold metallic paint. While my chairs and bench were drying, I began working on my cushions. Here, I'm removing these staples that are attaching my dust covers. As you can see, even after 6 years, these cushions are still in good condition. To add my new fabric, I'm simply stapling it to the existing cushion with my electric stapler. Once I had my fabric in place, I then cut away the excess. I then re-added my dust covers. since the seat cushions are still so firm, I really didn't have to do very much to them. I'm really only changing the color, and this process of stapling the new fabric over the existing fabric worked out perfectly. I followed the same process for my bench cushion as well. The bench cushion is tufted, so I am losing a lot of the details by covering it up with this new fabric. So to help with this, I decided to add 2 staples to each of the buttons on the cushion. I then covered the staples up with these gems that I already had at home. Here, I'm using hot glue to attach a thumbtack to each of the gems. I'm then simply pushing the thumbtack down into the existing button. Next, I began working on my table. Here, I followed the same process of adding 2 coats of the Zinsser primer. I let my primer dry for a couple of hours, and then I made sure that the surface of the table was completely smooth. Here, I'm sanding down a few areas that weren't smooth in order to prepare for my paint. The following day, I added 2 coats of my polyacrylic to my table as well as to my chairs and bench. I allowed my polyacrylic to dry for a complete 24 hours. To glam up my table just a bit more, I decided to purchase this 60 by 36 inch mirror piece from Lowe's for about $53, and here was my finished look. I did not glue this mirror piece down because I do want to have the option to remove it, but I think that when I set my table with my mirror chargers, that the tablescape is going to be beautiful. I'm really happy with how this project turned out. I am in love with my new champagne gold colored table. I think that it turned out really pretty. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Also, be sure to subscribe to my second channel, Dazzling Designs by Denise Up Close and Personal. I'll leave a link to my new vlog channel below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, guys, bye.